These are the 3 best LEGO City building sets. This is a fun little set because it can bounce around everywhere. It says on the back it's for 6-year-olds, and I think that's pretty fair. My son got this for his 5th birthday and he was able to put it together quite nicely, but there are some of these little technical LEGO pieces that are quite small and harder for him to actually put together. I like the fact that these guys are going off-roading and they have their little bicycles. So they want to take in the scenery with a small little camera, and they have a few extra sets, so they both have a cap. But if they want to go cycling, they can put on their protective helmets, and they both fit on the bicycles, of course. And a nice little detail here as well is that the bicycles do fit the off-road vehicle, so you can place them here in the back. Now this set is 252 pieces, so I think you can put it together in like an hour when you're doing this with a 5-year-old. I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here with the LEGO City Police Station. So this is a really cool LEGO set with 668 pieces, and it took us about 2.5 hours to fully put it together. My son is 5.5 years old now, so it is right in the age range of the 6+, maybe a little too young, but he was able to build this all by himself with just a little bit of help. I think this is one of the best sets for fantasy play, for role play, because there's just so much going on here. The bad guy here can, of course, escape in the garbage truck when it comes to pick up the garbage. So that's quite a fun bit of role play there. And the little building here also comes apart very easily, and there's a little brick that's broken here, and that's also great for imaginative play here. There are multiple ways for the bad guy to escape, and you have a few handcuffs to capture the bad guys. One of the bad guys has a disguise, so you can drive the garbage truck. There's this helicopter, it's also quite cool, which a character can sit in. You have the police car that opens up at the back, so the crew can sit in it. There's a little outside area for the inmates to get a little outside time, and there are also some weights there. There's a coffee machine, there's a few donuts, because of course it's the police, and this bar that opens up here for the car to drive through once he's caught the bad guys. So this is a very complete set for lots of imaginative play. This LEGO Fire Station is such a complete set. It comes with a large building, a helicopter over here, 4 characters, and you even have some fire here that you can try to shoot down, because the helicopter and the fire truck both can actually shoot their water. So let's look at that. Okay, so the fire truck can move through there. And let's look at that. So you've got the fire over here, and one thing that you can do is try and put those out with the water shooter. So let me get that in there again. So that's quite easy to do, just click it in, and then you're good for another go. You can also open the little door here, and then here's a little crate for all of their stuff. So all in all, there are a lot of pieces here, and it's very fun to play with this set. I think this is one of the coolest LEGO sets my son has.